guys, this is Madness Makeup, aka Caitlin. So, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and follow all my social medias. They will be linked down below. So let's get right into this video. Right. So, I'm doing another video with the James Charles and Morphe palette. So today we're going to be doing a Christmas look. So I'm going to use red and green. We're going to see how this goes. So yeah, I'm going to be using that shade, which it looks very pink, but it's red. And I think I'm going to be using this shade and maybe this shade as well. I'm going to do glitters, so I'm not going to use shimmers today in my look. So that's why I don't have my contacts in. I just washed my face and I just put like moisturizer on. So I'm going to do all of my face makeup and I will be right back with you guys. Alright guys, so I just prepped both eyes, but I'm gonna set one because I'm gonna do that one off camera. It'll probably come out like looking differently, but it's okay. Alright, so the products I used today were the Kismet Buff Sugar Lip Scrub, and this is in the flavor Bright and Bubbly. I use that on my lips, and then I use the Yenza BC foundation, so it's a full coverage foundation. And then I use the Yenza BC concealer, it's also full coverage. And then I set that with my Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Ghost. And then I set my foundation with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. Oh, mine's getting dirty. It looks like that. Most of these are from my Ipsy bags. And then, for my contour, I use the Item Beauty Cheek Money in the shade Vibes. I can't read. Okay, there we go. And then, this is the Pacifica Bronze Rose Coconut Infused Blush and Bronzer, and I used the shade Desert today for my bronzer. I did not use the blush. And it's cute, it comes with a mirror on the back. And then for blush, I use the Douce blush, and this is in the shade Time Bomb, so it looks like that. Very pretty. I didn't use much of it though. You can see my bronzer quite a bit. And then, I use the Laritzi Dew Pot Illuminator, and this is in the shade Utopia, and it looks like that. It's a cream blush. Not blush, I mean, you can use it as blush. It's like a cream highlighter. It is a little shimmery, but it's pretty. It's like a nice rose gold color. Oh, and then, to prime, I used the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer because I wanted to see how it did with my liquid foundation, and actually I think it worked out pretty good. So you can definitely use this with liquid and powder foundation. Okay. And then on my nose and my lips, I didn't use the cream one, so I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette, and I used the shade Pink Heart. This one doesn't have a mirror. Okay, and then on my brows today, I use the NYX Dip Shape Go Longwear Brow Pomade, and this is in the shade Brunette. And then to prime my eyes, I use the Milani Eye Primer, and I'm going to be doing a cut crease, so we're going to be using our e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer to do that. So, let's set that eye really quick, because now my eye primer should have dried by now. So I'm gonna take the white in here. It is called, oh, it's upside down. Wait, what the frick? I clearly am drunk or something. Alright, it's called Flashback. Fitting. So that's this big shade right here. So I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. It looks like that. And we're gonna dip into that white. And we're going to set this eye with that. Alright, perfect. Because I'm too lazy. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the round crease brush. It doesn't have a number because I rubbed it off, but it looks just like that, and it's from the BH Cosmetics Rose Quartz set. This one was also from the BH Cosmetics Rose Quartz set as well. And I'm going to dip into the shade You're Kidding Me. So that's the red shade in here, right there. Let's see how pigmented it is, you guys. Alright, so I'm gonna dip into that with that brush. Ooh. Wow. It is indeed pigmented. Alright, you guys. Didn't even need to dip in there twice. Alright, it's coming out a little patchy on the side, but I think it's just me. Alright. Looking pretty good to me. So, I am going to take a blending brush and blend that in a little bit. Alright. Oh my god, I said I wasn't gonna do the other eye. Okay, we're gonna leave it at that for now. So, all we're gonna do is take this e.l.f. Camo Concealer. We're gonna put it on one eye. And I'm gonna take this Eco Tools brush and we're gonna cut the crease. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. So then what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take let's take this brush right here. I'm gonna wipe it off. It is a little packing brush. So I'm gonna take that green shade, Social Blade, right there. So let's dig into that. Beautiful. No, I'm just gonna go over that once more. And then I'm gonna blend it out a little bit with the red. Alright, perfect. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a pencil. Actually, I'm gonna take my pointy brush. Let me find it really quick. I think this is it. Yep. Alright. And I'm gonna take that dark green shade. It's called Daddy. It's this one right here. I used these two. And I'm gonna put that on my outer piece. Just gonna deepen that up a little bit. Going into the red too. Okay. Kind of dragging that out to like a little triangular wingish shape, and I'm taking that same Betty Boop and Ipsy brush. It's cute, it looks like that. And I am just blending that in. Alright, now we gave it some depth, so I'm going to take This is from Bougie Babe Cosmetics. I love their glitter, and the shade is in Tea Time. It looks like that. It's very green. Alright, I am using the NYX Glitter Primer. Sorry, I'm really up close to the camera. And I'm just gonna take that on my finger. Sometimes this stuff burns my eyes a little, but you know, we will live. Alright, so I'm pretty sure I just got that all over my lid. Alright, so I'm just going to take my finger. Alright, just like that. And I'm going to put glitter all over. Boom. Look at that. How pretty is that? Let's put some on the ends too. Alright. We're so festive today. Look, I got this cute shirt. It says nice, and then you can flip it over. It says naughty, but I'm always nice, guys. Never naughty. So, yeah, it's looking really good. Alright. Now I have glitter everywhere. It's okay though. Alright, so I'm gonna go do this other eye off camera. I'm gonna do my eyeliner and some mascara, and then we're gonna get back to you with the lips. So I'm gonna close this up really quick. Alright. And I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, I done goofed up. I accidentally put glitter in my inner corner. Don't ask how it happened. So I was trying to go close to my inner corner, and then all of a sudden, boop, and all the glitter was over here, so I just took a tissue and tried to rub it off. So I ended up putting that shade Ring Light, which is this one right here, in my inner corner then. And then I put that under my brow bone as well. And I used the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. It's not dried out, so that's good. And then I used the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Those were both from Ipsy Bags. And then this one is also from an Ipsy Bag. And I used the Douce Ultra Precision Eyeliner under my eyes. And then I used a combination of Social Blade and the... Oh shit, where did the names go? Okay. Very good. And Daddy. So I used those two under my eyes. Alright. Yeah, the glitter is everywhere. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this lipstick on. It's from Douce. It's called the Luscious Lips. It's a stain, but technically it's like a liquid lipstick. And it's in the shade Ruby Red. I was debating between my BH Cosmetics one and this one, but I ultimately chose this one. Alright, I believe this one does matte down. Just making sure I didn't get any on my lips. I think we're good. Alright, I might need to fill in a little bit. Hold on. And I might put a gloss on it, but I'm gonna let it dry down first. So, let me see. We're gonna look at all my Estee liquid glosses. They're called lip icings, technically. Hold on, let me get the other one, and then I'm gonna decide which one I want. I think there is a red one, though. Oh, wait, this might be a lip icing, yep. And this one is the liquid lipstick. Okay. So, yeah, well, I just graduated with my associate's degree in fashion marketing on the 11th. So that was fun. Ooh, this one's really pretty. And so now I'm just trying to catch up on my group's videos, my friend group on Insta, and come on. Oh. And yeah, I'm watching a lot of Netflix. I just finished The Umbrella Academy, and I also just finished Stranger Things, which are really good shows, by the way. Now I'm rewatching You, and I've been rewatching The Vampire Diaries, so don't think this one would look very cute. Alright, that lipstick did matte down. So, okay, this shade is Goody. I think I'm gonna go with this one, which is in the shade Down. I think it'll look really pretty with this lipstick. So yeah. I'm also rewatching All American, which is a really good TV show. I watch a lot of the CW shows, probably like all of them. Gossip Girl is pretty good too, I just finished that as well. Never got to finish Pretty Little Liars though. And then I'm a big Ariana fan, so you guys should stream her new album Positions. It's got some good stuff. I think my favorite song is Love Language on there. I also like Just Like Magic and Positions. And I don't know why I put it on my tablet first. Alright. I think that looks pretty good. Alright, so this is it for my holiday glam look. Let me know what you guys think down below. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment down below and follow all of my social medias. And I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye.